If you want to start investing without feeling overwhelmed by complicated broker platforms, then Public.com might be one of the easiest investing apps to learn in 2026 because this platform combines investing, education, and social features into one beginner-friendly experience. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Public.com as an investor, what features actually matter, and whether this platform is still worth using in 2026. So first, Public.com is basically an investing platform where you can buy stocks, ETFs, crypto, bonds, and other assets directly from your phone or computer. One thing that makes Public.com different from many other investing apps is the social aspect, because users can follow discussions, see investment ideas from other people, and learn more about the market directly inside the app. When you first create an account, the platform will guide you through setting up your profile, verifying your identity, and linking your bank account so you can deposit money into your investing account. Once your account is ready, the easiest way to start is by searching for a stock or ETF using the search bar. For example, you can search for companies like Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, or even index funds and bonds. When you open an asset page, you'll see price charts, company information, market news, analyst insights, and community discussions related to that investment. One of the best features on Public.com is fractional investing, because this allows you to invest small amounts of money into expensive stocks without needing to buy full shares. Another useful feature is themed investing collections, which help beginners discover stocks based on industries or investing trends. The platform also includes watch lists, recurring investments, treasury accounts, AI-powered investment insights, and educational content designed to make investing easier for beginners. According to many user reviews online, people really enjoy how clean and simple the platform feels compared to traditional brokerage apps. Many beginners say Public.com helped them feel more comfortable learning about investing because the app focuses heavily on accessibility and education. A lot of users also like the social features because they can see different investing ideas and discussions directly inside the platform. But there are definitely some downsides too. More advanced investors often say the platform lacks deep research tools and advanced charting features compared to larger broker platforms like Fidelity or Interactive Brokers. Some users also feel the social features are not very useful once you become a more experienced investor because many discussions are beginner-focused. And like with any investing platform, you should never blindly follow investment opinions from other users without doing your own research first. Personally, I think Public.com is one of the best investing apps for beginners and casual investors in 2026 because it makes investing feel less intimidating and easier to understand. It may not replace advanced professional trading platforms, but for people who want a simple and modern way to start investing, Public.com does a really good job. If you want to try Public.com for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you understand how to use Public.com as an investor, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite investing platform in 2026.